Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. I was looking back at some of my previous videos and realized I don't have an old fashioned. So that's what we're going to do today, a low carb, keto friendly old fashioned. But as always, if you'd like to learn more about making these cocktails low carb and keto friendly, go ahead and click the subscribe button and a bell icon and you'll be notified every time I put a new video out. So let's get drinking. The Old Fashioned is one of the oldest recorded cocktails around. It's been around for as ever as drinking. It consists of three things: spirit, bitters, sweetener. That's it. You can't get any more simple than that. So we're gonna start off with a mixing glass. Now, an Old Fashioned usually has a sugar cube doused with bitters. Now, sugar, keto, low carb, it's not happening. What we're gonna do instead is use some of currently my favorite sweetener is the monk fruit from lakanto with some erythritol added. Now, a compact sugar cube is about 2 of my bar spoons. So we're gonna go 2 bar spoons of the lakanto monk fruit sweetener. All right. So from next, we're going to go ahead and add some angostura bitters. If you want to use some other brand, that's fine. Angostura is the go-to for aromatics. And yeah, I don't know where my dasher is, so let's try this out. So just dust that in there really good. That's good. Let me go ahead and mix that up a little bit, make sure all the sugar is covered in bitters. Now, if you were doing this the traditional way, you would muddle the sugar cube with the bitters and get it to look kind of like what this looks like. So next, we're gonna go ahead and add our whiskey. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of whiskey. I will be using probably the last of my 7.3. Now, there's been all kind of controversy over bourbon or rye or blended whiskey. Use your favorite whiskey. I am Irish Channel. This is a blend of American corn whiskey and a 3-year Irish whiskey. This is made from 7.3 Distilling in New Orleans, Louisiana. And 2 ounces. I got a little bit left. Time to get another bottle. If 7.3 is watching, you want to send me one? That'd be cool. And next is going to be the ice. We're going to use a couple of large ice cubes. And we're going to give this a good stir. And when you're stirring a cocktail and there's no spirit and there's no juices, you want to stir it for about 30 seconds. You want the glass to start getting nice and chilled. You want a good dilution. So that's kind of what we're going for, is have some dilution, have it chilled. There we go. Now, in your old-fashioned glass, and that's where I got the name from. It was a glass that was usually served with an Old Fashioned. You get 1 large ice cube. And with your strainer, pull that big ice back. Pour that over top. And garnish that with, get that off. Not with a fruit sticker, but with a swath of orange peel. And make sure that you wash your oranges or any citrus you use a peel for as garnish, because it is coated with wax to keep freshness in the store. So we're going to express some oil over the top of the glass and in the drink. Do a little rim around the glass, you get some of that orange oils on the glass. Twist. And drop in. And there you have it. The Keto Old Fashioned. Let's give it a taste. Cheers. Oh man, that's so good. That's so good. And a lot has to do with the whiskey of your preference. If you, whatever whiskey you like, that's what you need to use. If someone says you have to use bourbon and you're not a fan of bourbon, don't use bourbon. If you're not a fan of rye and someone says you gotta use rye, don't use rye. Use your favorite bourbon. Like I said earlier, I did. 7-3 Distilling in New Orleans. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to their website. And if I'm not mistaken, you can give them a call. And if your state allows liquor to be shipped into you, they can ship you a bottle. If you want to pay for it over the phone with a credit card, they can send it to you. They're not a sponsor, but it would be really cool if they were. So guys, cheers. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great night, because when I'm finished this, I'm gonna have a great night too. What am I kidding? This is my 4th video. I'm already having a great night. See y'all later.